it's Uber Eats pickup discount not showing. So to fix the pickup discount not showing on the Uber Eats mobile app, make sure that your fulfillment method is switched explicitly to pickup rather than delivery, as delivery only fees or promos often override or hide pickup specific price cuts. Or you can check if the discount requires a specific subtotal threshold before it appears in your cart breakdown. Also, confirm the chosen restaurant accepts general coupons or a specific promotional reduction. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Uber Eats app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to install the latest version of the app. Now the next what you can do is, if you are on Android device, go to your phone settings, find the Uber Eats app stories and clear the cache or offload or reinstall the app on iOS. Now on your iOS, what you have to do is, because iOS does not have a clear cache button, so what you have to do is go to the settings of your iOS device, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now find Uber Eats from the list, or you can just simply tap on the search bar and then search for Uber Eats. Then tap upload app, then tap upload app one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Tap the reinstall app button or just go back to your Apple App Store, find the Uber Eats app and then reinstall it from there. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.